Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and I have a little treat box or little gift box to share with you. It's pretty unique. I actually saw the pattern somewhere on the internet, but they didn't have measurements or anything, so I just made it the size that I wanted it, and it turned out really cute. I'll show you in a minute how it goes together and stuff. But I thought it was super cute, so I'm going to share it with you. And it closes really differently. So that is what I'm sharing today. This is 2 by 2 by 2. So it's a really cute little box. You can fit this like a bunch of Hershey's Kisses or anything. I put thank you on there, but this would be cute for Mother's Day or for any little occasion. You can put a necklace in here. Anything. It's just so sweet. So that is what I'm sharing today. I am giving you a sneak peek of the new designer series paper that will be available for our customers on May 1st. So it is, you can order the Share What You Love bundle, and this is what one of the papers that are in it. So it's called Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series Paper. This is a big stack of paper, and it is all gorgeous. It has, I showed this in my haul. Actually, you may have not seen my haul yet. I don't know if I was going to post it before or after this video, so you may be seeing it after, but it's gorgeous. It's foiled on one side. Not all of it is, but a lot of it is foiled on one side. But look at this. It's gorgeous. This paper is so pretty. And this one's foiled. This one's foiled. This one's plain, but it's still super pretty. And the one that I'm using right here on top is foiled right here. So it's super pretty. So this is one, it will be available to order May 1st to our customers. They're just doing like a pre-order before our new catalog comes out in June. So this will be one of the papers that will be available in our new catalog. So that is the designer series paper. And then I'm going to use some of this baker's twine. This is the silver metallic. It's got silver metallic running through it, and that's just to hold on the little thank you right here. I'm going to use some Tranquil Tide finely woven ribbon, this one right here. And I think that's it. I'm using a couple punches, which are the 1 inch and the 1 1/8 inch scalloped. So I'm using those. And then the stamp set that I'm using the thank you from is the Bird Banter. So it's a small thank you right here. And I was going to use Teeny Tiny Wishes because Teeny Tiny Wishes is retiring, but I wanted to give you an option for, something that you can still purchase. Okay, this is actually going to be retiring, so if you want this stamp set, you need to grab it. It's so cute. And then you'll need some scrap Soft Sky and some scrap Tranquil Tide. Alright, so let's get started. The piece that you're going to need for scoring is 6 by 10, and it's so pretty. I just love this. I hope you can see the shimmer on this and the foiling. So let me grab my scoring tool and we'll get scoring this. And it's going to look a little strange to you. I'm going to score on this side because I don't want to mess up the foiling. So the first score mark we're going to make is going to be 2 inches. This is on the 10-inch side. So you're going to score it at 2, 4, 6, and 8. Very easy to remember. And then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it at 2 on both sides. And that is it. Okay, can you see it on this side? I'm not sure. I don't think so. So let's go ahead and cut on this side. We're going to actually do a bunch of cutting. So we're going to cut this square off here. We're going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to trim this just a hair here. And then we're going to cut, let's see, I can, maybe this will make it easier for you to see. So we're going to skip this one and we're going to cut the next one out. And we're actually going to cut that whole section out. And then this final one here, we are going to cut off. So it's a little bit strange looking. We're going to do the same on the other side. And when I saw it first, I thought there's no way this would go together. Let's see. And then these right here. But it's actually really cute how it works. I thought anyway. I hope you like it. And then this one we're cutting off also. Okay, so keep all these pieces because you know you can use them. I have some others from the other box. I have them all put away. So this is what it's going to look like. So it looks like an H kind of. So let's grab the big shot. And we are going to use our oval framelits. And I am using, let me show you right here. I'm using this framelit right here, and it is 3.5 inches. And then we're going to use the magnetic platform. What you're going to do is you're going to just stick this right to the top edge here, and that is all that we're cutting. It's going to give it a little bit of an oval look to it at the end, but it looks really cute on the box. So it's going to look like that. See how easy that was? And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Need to run it as far as that little tip is because it will cut it just like that. I'm going to trim a little tiny thing right here, and that's it. So, okay, so for putting the box together, let's sharpen these score marks now. And it's important to score it, when you score it, to score it on this side so you I don't like damaging the foil part. So you're going to need the half-inch circle punch here, and we're just going to punch a hole here. And then what I did was I just did it like that and then punched the other side. Okay, so now we're ready to put it together. So we need our, and I think I used 16 inches of this. I'm going to cut a little bit more because you do have to cut it before you string it. Now this box, we're going to add a little bit of adhesive to this side. I'm just using my fast fuse. And you don't even have to do this part, but it helps to hold it together, especially when you're putting the ribbon on. So this just goes up like that, and you're going to line it up and do the same on this side. And you can see if you just do it like that, this would be cute too, to just do like that if you want to just make it like that, but it has like a little gap here. So what holds that together is the ribbon. So you're going to run the ribbon this way. The gap is here. You're going to run the ribbon this way and you're going to string it through here and then through here. And you're going to do the same with this piece. You're going to string it through the top here. And through the other side here. And then I'm going to even out the ribbon once I get it through. So this is going to hold your bottom so nothing falls out. You're just going to pull it tight. And this side is a little shorter, so I'm going to just pull it this way. It's easy to even it out once you get it on. And it's really cute because the ribbons really adds to it on the side here. So then I'm going to just tie a bow at the top. But isn't that a cute closure? I thought this was super cute. You may want to make it more like 20 inches for your ribbon because I'm fumbling here trying to get this the right size, and so I would give it at least 20 inches for your, I think we're okay right now, but, and you can fool with it, you know, make it however big you want it. I think that's good. I'm just going to cut the tail here. But it is a really, really cute little box. Just like that. Okay, now next we're going to stamp on our, we're just going to stamp the thank you on here with the Tranquil Tide. I'm going to punch that out with the 1-inch circle punch. And then we're going to punch the 1 1/8 scallop. I'm loving having punches back. I did use a dimensional for the, let me find some real quick here to pop this up. And then I used our 1/8 inch handheld punch here. Punched a hole. And then I'm going to grab some of that silver baker's twine metallic. I need to cut that. There we go. And then I am going to how did I do that last time? Oh, I know what I did. I did it like a little tag last time. I put these two through here. And then you just bring your thread through like that. It makes a really cute way to add the tag, especially on a box like this. You can keep it close to the bow, and then I'm just tucking it in underneath. I'm going to tie it here. I did leave a little bit of a tail on these because it's really pretty baker's twine, so it doesn't, I don't care that it shows. So it's really cute. So that is it. I just thought they were super cute and a really unique kind of box. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. I will be posting the haul probably like Monday. I thought I was going to get it out before this video, but I haven't. But this is in my haul, so you'll see me showing it again if you watch the haul. So have a blessed day, everyone. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Catch you in the next one. Bye.